Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of fabric defects. We're gonna look at examples of these defects, how they might appear and where they come from. Some of the defects you'll see are introduced intentionally for demonstration, while others are inherent in the fabric due to manufacturing processes. We'll be creating some of these defects by hand to illustrate what they might look like in real life. First up, let's talk about shearing. You can get different types of shearing on fabric. One such type is black shear, which often appears as a darkened area of the fabric. This is often caused by uneven tension or pressure during the manufacturing process. If you look closely, you'll see how it is different than the rest of the fabric. Next, we'll look at another type of defect, contamination. Contamination can come in many forms, such as dirt, oil, or fibers from other materials. This is something that should be prevented during manufacture, but does happen, which is why it's so important to inspect the fabric closely. Here, we can see some other common defects, such as a misweave, which creates an uneven texture. We'll also be exploring fabric runs, which are often the result of a snag, and pulls, or fabric pills, which come from the surface fibers becoming abraded and knotted. Understanding these common defects is key to assessing fabric quality and finding solutions to improve manufacturing. Thanks for joining me today.